If you ever accidentally removed an app from the home screen and you want to get the app back to home screen, then this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to get an app back to home screen on iPhone or iPad. In order to get the removed app back to home screen on your iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is you have to slide right like this and slide to all the way to the end where you will find your app library on your iPhone or iPad. And once you find that, here you have to tap on app library and search for the app. Since the app that we removed from the home screen was reminders, so we will search for reminders here. We can either type in here or we may also scroll here to our section, and there you will find reminders. And once you find the app that you had recently removed from the home screen, next you have to tap on it and long press on that. And when you long press on that, here you get multiple options, and among these you have to tap on add to home screen, and that will add the app to the home screen again. So this is one of the methods to get back the removed app back to home screen. But in case you find this method time consuming or complex, then I have also got another quick method for you. For that, first of all, let's remove any app from the home screen, and this time we are going to remove Games app. So we will simply tap on this and then remove from home screen. And as you can see, the app has been removed from the home screen. So next, in order to add that to home screen, we have to simply slide down like this, and that will reveal the Spotlight search on iPhone or iPad, or we may also say the new CD. And here we have to simply type in the name of the app that we just removed from the home screen and the app that we want to get back to the home screen. So we have found the Games app, and next we have to tap on that and long press on that, and that will reveal these options, and among these we have to select add to home screen, and that will add the app back to home screen again. As you can see here, the app has been added, and this is how you may get an app back to home screen again. I hope you found this video helpful, and by the way, if you want to learn how to find hidden apps on your iPhone or iPad, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.